If you're a restoration business owner, I've got a question for you. Are you noticing that our world is becoming much more self-pay, as in deductibles are getting higher, so people aren't filing claims? People are afraid to file a claim, so they're not filing claims, and our world is becoming more self-pay. If that's what you're seeing out there in the field, you're not alone. My clients are seeing it all over the country, and it's only going to continue to snowball. I want to talk to you about a simple process, something that you've got to put in place right now to get ahead of this, because if not, you're just going to keep losing more jobs. I'm not trying to paint a picture of doom and gloom, not at all, because there are people out there that are winning at the self-pay game, and here's what they're doing. Let me start out with the sure way to lose a job. So you get the call, your intake person schedules the job or schedules the inspection. Your technician goes out. Your technician sees damage, asks if they filed a claim. Maybe they have, maybe they haven't. They probably haven't. Now the technician hears, well, we want an estimate. The technician takes some notes and says, okay, somebody will get back to you with an estimate. They give that information to the office, and the office gets around to providing an estimate. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe a week and a half. Guess what happens? They lose the job. Now, what are other people doing? They are right from the start, from that intake call, setting the expectation. We're coming out to work, setting urgency. If you've watched my other video about that intake call and the importance of creating empathy, showing confidence, and creating a sense of urgency, this is where that sense of urgency comes in. They talk to the homeowner or the commercial property owner about the idea that they are coming out there to work, because with time, with the passage of time, the damage gets worse, becomes more expensive, becomes just a bigger job. So let's avoid that for you. We're going to take action right away. That's our intention. Now, people want estimates more and more than ever before. Here's the other thing that these folks are doing. They are able to write an estimate on the spot and get the job signed, right? They create that sense of urgency on the job site. They don't leave without writing an estimate. I've got clients that do it in different ways. Some of them are sending a manager out first. They're writing the estimate. Some of them are using Xactimate. Some of them are using their production management CRM platform that has built-in estimating features. Some of them are using a spreadsheet on an iPad or a phone. Some of them are using a piece of paper, a form. Doesn't really matter. I love technology. Ideally, it's all done digitally, but don't wait until you've got the perfect digital solution to do this. Be prepared to write an estimate on the spot and to get the work started immediately. If you do that, your chances of winning the job are going to go up exponentially. If you want to learn more about how to price jobs in the field and what a process could look like, just book a call with me. We'll have a conversation about it, and you'll leave the call with some action items in the spirit of helping you get more jobs sold. That's what I love doing. I love working with restoration businesses to help them get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something that's sellable someday when they decide it's time to move on. Book a call with me, and I'll see you in the next video.